Just thinking about it makes me sweat. Running a full 21 kilometers. Now imagine this, humans and robots racing together. But this time there's no sweat, no tired muscles, only batteries heating up. And that too for a full 21 kilometers. This is not a movie scene. This is not CGI or animation. This is a real-world robotics race. And this race is happening very soon. I'll reveal the exact date at the end of this video, because hey, a little suspense makes it more fun. This humanoid robot half marathon is being hosted at Beijing E-Town, China. And this event is going to show the entire world just how powerful humanoid robots have become, and more importantly, who is leading the global robotics race, and who is falling behind. In today's video, we'll find out what exactly this event is, which Chinese robots are expected to compete, and which US humanoid robots could challenge them. Beijing E-Town is a high-tech innovation zone in China, where massive investments are being made in robotics and artificial intelligence. And this is where a humanoid robot half marathon is being organized. The total distance of the race will be 13 miles, which is roughly 21 kilometers. Robots will not race directly against humans. They will run in separate lanes, but the conditions will be completely real. Open public roads, uneven surfaces, sunlight and wind. Real outdoor challenges. This race is not about speed. It is a pure endurance test. Now let's talk about the robots that are considered the strongest contenders from China. Number 1, Unitree H1. This is one of the biggest and most powerful names. Built by Unitree Robotics, famous for fast walking and excellent balance, has already demonstrated running, jumping, and dancing. Unitree H1 is considered an athletic humanoid robot, and it is seen as a top candidate for completing the half marathon. Number 2, UBTech Walker Series. UBTech is one of China's leading humanoid robot companies. Walker Series robots can remain stable for long periods, are highly energy efficient, are designed for industrial and service tasks. These robots focus more on reliability and consistency than raw speed, which makes them perfect for marathon-style endurance races. Number 3, Fourier Intelligence Humanoid Robots. Fourier is well known for medical and rehabilitation robotics. Their humanoid robots use a human-like walking style, consume less energy, are designed for long operational hours. In this race, speed alone doesn't matter. What really matters is balance, energy efficiency, and durability. Now the big question is, what does the United States have to compete with this? Humanoid robots that could take on China. Number 1 is Tesla Optimus. The pride of the USA, Tesla Optimus. This is one of the most famous humanoid robots in the world. Developed by Elon Musk's Tesla, designed for factory and repetitive work, focuses heavily on AI vision and balance. Optimus is not currently designed for running, but in the future, a modified version could potentially compete in races like this. Number 2 is Figure 01, one of the most advanced humanoid robots in the United States. Built with support from partners like Microsoft and Nvidia, and this is extremely intelligent, equipped with a very advanced AI system and designed for real-world jobs. Its intelligence is impressive, but long-distance walking is still a challenge for now. And the last one is Agility Robotics Digit. This robot is already working in US warehouses. Famous for continuous walking, excellent balance control, proven in real-world environments. Digit is not a full humanoid runner yet, but when it comes to endurance, it is very strong. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, the Beijing E-Town Humanoid Robot Half Marathon is scheduled to take place in April 2026. Now the big question is, which robots will actually show up? Which ones will finish the race? And which robot will leave the others behind? Let me know in the comments. Which robot do you think can complete this marathon? And should the USA officially participate in this race? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.